Hi guys, this is 2015 Audi Q3. So this car had a problem. Is a customer changed the wheel bearing, then after driving like a 500 meters, the ABS light on. You can see in here the customer changed the wheel bearing, and this is the old wheel bearing, and they put the new wheel bearing. When you start the car, you can see the tire pressure monitor light is flashing, the ABS light is on. So I scanned the car, I found these codes. Left front ABS speed sensor, mechanical malfunction, and the right ABS sensor, the mechanical malfunction, and the other codes. So I'm going to the data list for the front left wheel speed sensor and the rear one. So I'm going to drive the car and got the traction off. Okay, now I'm going to drive the car. I can see the data for the speed sensor. Okay, car is running. Okay, 15. Sometimes they getting dropped for the 8-6, and the other one is showing 13 to 8. Is fluctuating for the speed, but I put the accelerator pedal is a constant pressure. So it says the air gap is malfunction. Malfunction. Then after we got the bunch of codes, the left speed sensor and the right speed sensor. This all happening after change the wheel bearing. So we have to find the problem. Another thing I can show you the guys, they put the brand new sensor, the both side. This is a new sensor, but problem is still same, and the new bearing. So same the other side, they put the new brand new the ABS sensor and the new bearing. I'm going to do off the new wheel bearing. The put back is a customer, then they have a look what's going on. Okay, you can see the ABS sensor. So I'll put it in here. It's a M12 torque speed. Okay, here's a new bearing. Okay, here's the new bearing and the old bearing. So looks like the same. So you can see the ABS sensor. So one groove in here. It's like go like this. Okay guys, I bring another two brand new bearings. So the problem is the bearing, the ring is, when we tied the bolt, it's put the incorrect torque to the bolt, then they squeeze this the reluctor wheel ring. So that's the happening with the new bearing. So we have to put the torque 200 Newton meters, then and after 180 degrees. So otherwise you put the wrong torque, this bearing getting squeezed and the damage this reluctor wheel. So in this bolt 70 Newton meter, then 90 degrees. The bigger ball inside one 200 Newton meter, then 180 degrees. If you not do the right torque, you can damage the ring gear inside. Everything, and I put the axle nut loose. It's very loose, so I little bit tight my hand. Leave it. I have to put the 200 Newton meter. After put the wheel, and all we do on the ground. Okay, put the 200 Newton meter for the bottom board. Okay. Put the mark in here and turn the 180 degrees. Okay, we turn the 180 degrees. So okay guys, you can see the now wheel speed. Showing the right mileage. Okay guys, we drive the car. You can see the no more code, no more ABS light. So the problem is the wrong torque specs. That's why I squeezed the magnetic ring behind the wheel hub. So that's why it's after replacing the wheel bearing, the getting that code. So make sure when you're replacing the wheel bearing, put the right torque specs, so then no more problems. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.